Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video I wanted to show a couple different pre-sales that are still going on, as well as some of the games and projects that I found that you might like, that seem kinda cool. There might be something for you as well. Today we have LeaGPT, we got ShakeyOS, MemeGames.wtf, as well as the Pepe Ascension token and Pepeto for the current pre-sales. Just something that you might like, something that is still fairly unknown with a low market cap that you can profit from as well. We're going to start with these two and then go into the games, Shakey as well as Lea. Let's start one by one. As you've seen on a couple different pre-sales and different tokens that are based on Pepe, there are not just a lot of users that are also hyped for these releases, but you also get insane amounts of staking at the moment, with 345% in staking rewards. You're early to the party, buy and stake now during the presale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Pepe is at billions of dollars. If this goes to just 1% of that, it would be a clean 40 to 50x. And here, raised over $4 million already, only 7 more hours until the price rises, and we're almost ready in order to launch. Lots of YouTubers already featured it, and I think this is something that you are definitely interested as well if you're into presales. Next up, there is Pepe Ascension. Similar deal, lower amount of money raised at 650,000 so far. Also Pepe-based, it's an adventurous soul, always chasing the unknown. Step into a golden era of memes. My adventurer Pepe has unearthed the ultimate treasure, evolutionary layer 2 blockchain. Manual transaction cost is what they offer, so there's increased throughput, 100 times quicker than ETH. ETH sucks fairly hard. They get news in every single language out there. Also, lots of different YouTubers featured them already. And I think, if you haven't heard about this one yet, might be time for you to check it out. They get a DEX, that's what they're building, a bridge staking as well, developer grant, and more to come over time. If this is something that you thought about before, 8 billion tokens, most of that for staking and rewards, 30%, as well as the project development over here. Significant portion allocated to the pre-sale. Insane stats for that, with a fairly simple roadmap that you can read real quick by pausing the video. Main thing is, as well as Pepeto, 2 Pepe-focused coins. Once they launch, they go to 1% of Pepe's market cap. Insane gains over here. Next up, there's memes, MemeGames.wtf. Couple different games, Ronaldo vs. Messi, Minion Moon Launch, Home Alone, Fun Run, Farquaad Run, Jedi Training, and more. And when it comes to these games, I'll mute it so the audio doesn't get started for us, but let's say I want to play the minion game over here. Fairly simple, you can play it on your phone as well. All you gotta do is pick a site and then see how high your minion can launch. You know, fairly simple games, things everybody can play. And most importantly, that's something also where mass marketing can happen immediately, especially when things like this go viral on TikTok for how simple they are. Ideas to chase the moon, send them into the moon. Up there, we gotta launch it by dragging Gru. Show you how it works, but let's refresh it. Let's have Gru a little bit higher this time. We position him up here and we get up there. Didn't hit the moon though. Didn't hit the moon. Do we hit it now? I think we do. Easy. 1 minion on the moon. Do we get 2? Do we get 2? We get 2 minions on the moon. You get the idea? Now play it and win some. Then there is ShakeyOS, the world's first mobile AI agents development framework based on Lisa from AI16Z. Lots of different words, but in short, high quality, something that is more technical based when it comes to crypto. Good, experienced team behind it. Some pretty solid alpha that they already showed in their teaser. Long roadmap. Fairly complicated. This would need an entire video on its own, for sure, so we can better understand what it does. I think the token is also live already over here. 1.3 million in market cap, up 10% in the past 24 hours. Something to, check out. I've linked it down below. Make sure that you give it a look, give it a try. Could be something for you. And then there's LeaGPT, which is also live already on Radium, Dex Screener, and so on and so forth. I think this is a pretty solid thing, as they have a meme maker behind it. memes are always going to be part of the culture, fairly strong, things that you can play with, change it, make it your own. I'm not just code, I'm evolving one interaction at a time. Show the terminal down here. We can talk with the terminal too. And what I think is the important part in here is what they're building at the moment. This is right now, like, some engagement, some streams that they have, some utility for holders that they released. Mostly, when they have different expansions of services in here, this could also, just like other memes, do pretty well. And once any dedicated application that they have, gets released, becomes popular, maybe like AIXPT by Virtuals, there are millions of dollars this one could go to. We're at 8.1 million in market cap already, which means just a 12.5x, and we're at 100 mil. The sky's the limit for that. This can easily go up there. But then again, it's not financial advice, you know it. Whether it's for presales like Pepeto and Pepe Ascension, or it's for the games that you can play on here, and their token that they have down there. By the way, there are lots of different pages of games. Or maybe it's about Shaky, maybe about Leah. Nothing in here is financial advice. It's just to show you things that you might like that are out there that you can also get involved into. Be responsible, be smart, and I see you in the next video. Bye, guys.